In a significant operation in Sichuan, southeast China, authorities have shut down an underground bank responsible for foreign currency exchanges using the USDT stablecoin, involving transactions totaling approximately 13.8 billion yuan. This illegal banking network, primarily operating out of Chengdu city, facilitated unlawful transactions since January 2021, mainly aiding in smuggling pharmaceuticals and cosmetics and in overseas asset purchases. A comprehensive nationwide crackdown led to the arrest of 193 suspects and the freezing of assets worth 149 million yuan. This case highlights a growing trend of using cryptocurrencies to bypass stringent capital controls in China.